We do not have experience with elephants in Pakistan. There are only 5 elephants, of which there are 4 elephants in Karachi and there is 1 elephant in Islamabad. And we do not understand elephant biology as much as we should. We have immediately asked for support from international zookeepers who will be coming in, people who look after elephants in sanctuaries will be coming in, and they will be giving us advice. Whatever advice they give us, we will be bound to follow. We have basically 2 choices. One is to build a sanctuary for him in Pakistan where he would stay in comfort for the rest of his life. And the second choice is that we would send him to an established elephant sanctuary.